I think I'm gonna do that one every night. What do you think? That I will do live then while I'm sleeping. Do you think that's good? You know, before when I do that, someone said I'm crazy. You're crazy. You have a mental problem. You're doing live or you sleeping. That's so. Well, actually, yeah. I think you're doing live. You just put your live there and then you're sleeping. Weird. Well, yeah, weird. Actually, weird. But it's working. It's working that you do.